right. All right. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. You guys know the face. You guys know the space. You guys know what it is, what it be, and what it's gonna do. Today, welcome back to this great space. We are
your hosts.
Exactly.
Mandy, Candace,
and Brandon. All right, so today we're going to be doing things a little bit different. You can play along with us. We're going to be doing a couple of games. We're going to call this, I think we had called it TGS Olympics. Going to be doing a little bit of mind, doing a little of agility, having some fun, guys, because fellowship is a very important part of Christianity. All right, so we're going to be doing 3 games today. You can play along with us over there. You can laugh with us, laugh at us. However you do it, a good laugh is always a well-earned laugh. All right. All right, so today we'll be having some additional team members behind the camera who will be assisting us. The shout out to Dana and Tevin around there assisting us behind the camera, and they're going to ensure that we have a good time. Brandon is vibing out. General knowledge, a little bit of school challenge quiz, a little bit of mind testing. And our lovely Dana will take it away with a couple questions for the TGS group.
General knowledge. Who is on the Jamaican $100 note?
Donald Sangster.
Marcus Garvey.
Yeah,
He's on the new $100.
But we still use the old one.
So two we get points.
Both are right.
Exactly.
But we still use the old one.
Yes.
Thanks for joining the chat, Brandon.
Question number 2. True or false? Jamaica once had parishes named St. George and St. David.
True.
Correct.
Nice.
Question number 3. Who is the Minister of National Security?
Horace Strong.
No, he's
Horace
Minister
Strong.
of Justice
It's Horace Strong.
and National Security.
Yes. It's Horace
He's
Strong.
Minister of Justice.
The answer is the Honorable Dr. Horace Chang.
It's Horace Strong.
The question them all in, he's still
Yes,
of
he
National
still is.
Security.
Candace, they meme him every day,
I need my job asleep in a pan.
It's Horace Strong.
Okay. My bad.
Honorable. Yeah.
Question number 4. What was the largest number of parishes Jamaica has ever had? Mandy.
22.
That's correct. Question number 5. True or false?
True. Sorry. Sorry.
The person on the Jamaican $1 coin is a national hero.
True.
I'm here is my first, You see,
My go
thiefness,
first.
Thiefness. Black people, they can't prosper with them.
Question
They
number
can't prosper with them.
6.
Remember, say they ain't playing,
Which senator is also the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade? Candace.
Kamina Johnson Smith.
That's correct. Finish the proverb. Procrastination is. Candace.
Oh, sorry. the thief of time?
That's correct.
All right.
Learn to dance at your yard before. Mandy.
You dance abroad.
That's correct.
Thanks, mommy.
I know everything good for eat. Candace.
Good for talk?
That's correct. Chiga tour. I'm going to repeat. Chiga tour.
Bus gun.
That's incorrect. The answer is afraid a grabble. Same knife tick the sheep. Candice.
Stick goat. Stick goat.
That's correct.
Yeah.
What are 5 essential things that must be in any barrel? Candice.
In any barrel.
That's a question?
5.
You have soap.
Yes.
You have Irish Spring. You have rice. You have shampoo count. Shampoo and conditioner. You have the tin them. So mixed vegetable and them something there. Clothes.
Flour.
I can be very specific,
Mandy, go ahead.
Quizmaster.
Watch out.
Irish Spring, Hanes, socks and marina and underpants, flour, rice, and tin food.
That's correct.
I said floor, yeah.
I'm a
okay.
barrel picnic.
Translate the Jamaican Creole. No ramp with me. Candice?
Do not play with me.
Don't play with me.
That's correct. Robot taxi. Mandy.
White plate. That's a white plate taxi.
A robot taxi is unauthorized PPV vehicle.
That's a white plate.
Give me my point.
Public
That's
transportation.
correct. But the answer I'm looking for is unlicensed taxi.
White plate.
So me get it.
No, you did not.
Yes.
Small up yourself. Mandy.
Go over, please. Make space for the next passenger.
Or move over. That's correct. Chaka chaka. Candice.
Untidy. Or unkept.
That's also a dance.
Chaka chaka.
Yes.
That's correct.
The whisper challenge.
The whisper challenge.
The whisper challenge, right? So for those who know and those who don't know, the whisper challenge, we're gonna have one of us, like Brandon is right now, with the headphones on, playing super loud music, and one of our lovely team members here, Dana and Tevin, they're gonna give us each a sentence. It's okay, Tevin. Dana is gonna give us a sentence that we're supposed to whisper to the person with said headphones on, and they're gonna try and guess what it is. Can you please? Can you? All right. So you have the headphones on first, so you're gonna go first. Dana's come up with a number of sentences, so she's gonna let us know what they are, and then. Yeah, of course I'm going to talk softly in the mic. I'm not going to talk at this volume, trust me. So everybody's going to get a chance. Yeah. Everybody's going to get a chance to say what it is that they think it is. When you have the headphones on, please don't shout in the mic, right? But you're going to guess into the mic, okay? Brandon, Mercy.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let the people know.
I'm ready.
Mandy, please. All right, ready. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words.
All right. Yeah.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Don't say anything. Your mouth is just playing in slow motion in my head. Do not count your eggs before they hatch? No? Okay.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Yeah.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Go again.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
There's something in there about a stray dog. Go again.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
One more time.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Oh, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Yeah.
Yeah.
Candace
Alright.
loud, man. Murder.
Song Association.
Enough,
Doofenshmirtz
enough,
Evil Incorporated.
All right. So, our lovely partner back there, team member Dana, she's gonna give us a word, and the first person to sing is the one who gets the point.
How many words? Yeah, I
About
heard it.
10 words.
10 words. All right.
Yeah.
All right. First word, Beautiful.
Beautiful. Here we go again, my love.
It's a beautiful day.
What a beautiful name it is. The
Okay.
name.
All right.
Sorry.
Next word. Wall.
Wonderwall. That's all I remember.
If walls could talk.
Jeez.
Celine Dion.
Yeah, no.
All right. Next word.
Mm.
Door.
Love is an open door.
Oh,
Game.
shout out song of door. Oh,
Fourth word. Hope.
My hope is built.
nothing less. Jesus
Jeez.
Christ and run.
Jesus,
Yeah.
who?
Jesus Christ.
That's not what the song's.
Oh, I see.
Jesus, love and righteousness.
Yeah.
Fifth word. Endless.
My endless love.
Oh. No. Yeah, no.
No,
Endless.
I think they Mandy got it.
Endless. Yeah.
Endless love. Oh.
Jesus.
Next word.
Yeah.
Magic.
Magic. You know.
I've got the magic in me.
I got the magic. Jeez. I need to get a point.
Seventh word. Tears.
Tears, tears. You don't remember the TOK song there?
No.
No.
When I feel it one day, you know. Tears.
Tears. No.
No tears to cry, even if I try. But
Sigh.
still my soul.
Eighth word. Moon.
Mood.
What?
What?
Moon.
Talking to the moon.
Moon. A mood me here. Oh.
Trying
Channel.
to get to That's probably off key, I think.
Probably.
Ninth word. Night.
Night.
Because tonight will be the night that
Nah,
I
we-
will
nah,
fall
we-
for you.
Late. I know ladies' nights. A reggae night.
Oh,
We get together and the feelings right. Or something so?
Tonight, tonight,
Tonight.
10th word. Somebody.
Somebody wants to.
Somebody pray
I wanna
for
dance
me.
with somebody.
They had me on their mind.
Jeez.
They sacrificed their time. They went down on their knees and prayed for me.
Uncle Milton classic.
A big tune that you know?
Yeah.
Big cheering.
Yeah, that's it.